Alright, so these are the materials we're going to be using to wash the eggs. Start off, this is the watering can. This is the soap we use to wash. This is the bleach we use to sanitize. This is the crate we're going to place the eggs on. And these are the 2 scrubbers that we use to get all the poop and dirt off. Alright, so we put the eggs in the crate and we put them in pointing down and they're ready to go. So we'll put the soap on them. And we're putting half an ounce into a gallon of water at 90 degrees. Put it in there. Give it a shaking. Try not to splash it on you. And then get them nice and wet. So now that they're soaked, we're going to scrub them. We got 2 scrubbers, this pad and the toothbrush. And you just pick them up and give them a good waxing. And some of them aren't going to be as dirty as the others, but we still try to clean them off a little bit to work the soap into it. Okay, now that we've put the soap on them and scrubbed them off, we're going to rinse them again with 90 degrees water. After we've rinsed it, we're going to sanitize it for the last step. And for 1 gallon of water, we're going to put a cap full of bleach. And give it a good stir. And now that they're sanitized, we're going to let them sit outside and just air dry a little bit. Alright, so this is the can lid that we're going to be using, and we're in the back of the garage right now. We just want to make sure it's dark enough to actually be able to see the air cell when we hold it up, which is going to be a little pocket of air. And we use this little sheet, and if it's too big, we're going to set it aside and not sell it. And if it's good though, we'll set it on this rack over here and keep it. So we're holding the egg up, and you can kind of see the air cell forming right there. And so we hold the card up to it, and it looks like it's an AA quality, which is still good. It's good if it's AA quality or A quality, but then if it comes into the B quality out here, that's when we separate it. So this is the chart that we're going to use after you've washed them and candled the eggs. And you mark down the date, put your initials down, and then write down the size. And we'll use the scale over here to do that. And you just put little tally marks as you go along. So we put the egg on this scale right there. And you got peewee, small, medium, large, extra large, and jumbo. And you just look at the needle end, and it says that it's a large. And so you take it off and you move on to the next one, and that would be peewee. Right now you're looking at our cartons that we're putting the eggs in, and they have a picture of our farm with the chickens and the salt house and free range heritage eggs. We put ungraded on them because they're all different sizes, and then the name of the farm, the address, and then on the side we have a packed on date to ensure the freshness for the customer. After we weigh them out, we're going to put them all in the carton, and again we put the pointy end down inside, flip this over, and we move it from the wine cooler into the fridge to keep it colder. So you just watched our tutorial on egg washing. If you'd like to learn more about our farm procedures on ASU SD's farm, please subscribe to our channel.